Hi, welcome to this new series where we are going to unlock the secrets of guitar improvisation using the major scale. Whether you're just starting out or want to improve your solos, this series will help you create your own melodies with confidence. Improvising with the major scale is a core skill that every guitarist should master. The good news, we'll break it down step by step so anyone can follow along, even if you've never improvised before. So, if you're ready to dive in and start making some music, hit that like button and let's get improvising. Come on! Alright, let's dive right into today's pattern. We'll keep it simple, so no stress. Today, we're playing the G major scale, and it sounds like this. So, start by placing your first finger on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. Now we go with finger number 3. Come on, string number 2, finger 1, 2, finger 4. Let's go to the string 1, finger 1, 3, and 4. There we have it. Now, backwards. 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1, 3, and 1. And everything together a little bit faster would be like this. So, great job, but take it slow at first. Focus on getting those notes clean and clear. Precision is key, okay? Speed will come later. And trust me, that feeling of nailing it, wow, that's worth every bit of practice. Congratulations! You've just learned today's pattern. I know that you want to improvise right away, but take a deep breath. First, we need to practice the scale with a backing track. Before improvising, we have to make sure you can play the scale in half notes and quarter notes in rhythm. If not, improvising will be like, tricky. Sorry. So, let's practice. Come on. First, we're going to practice the scale using half notes. We have to count 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, okay, and we do the whole scale. We repeat here, we go backwards, and when we're here again we have to do the scale, but this time using quarter notes. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and backwards 1, 1, 1. And again, we do it one last time in half notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And we stop here, the last ascending note. Okay, get ready. Let's practice together with some music. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Backwards. Quarter notes. Half notes. 1, 2, 2. Alright, good job. How did it go? Remember, if you need more practice, just go back and repeat the exercise as many times as you need. Congratulations! You've got today's pattern down. You got it. Well done. Now, one of the best ways to start improvising is with a simple question-answer approach. Think of it like a conversation. I play a phrase, you respond. Hey, it doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to get comfortable creating simple musical ideas. And hey, do not overthink it. Just have fun with it. Okay, let's get into the exercise. First, we'll start with half notes. These are nice and slow, so you have time to think. For example, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? I will improvise for 4 bars and you will respond for the next 4 bars. Okay? Get ready. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and... Now you go. My turn. Now you. Go. Okay, last one. Go. Great! Now, let's step it up to quarter notes. This will push you a little bit faster. Now, you have to count 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And you can also rest, by the way. You can do 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, rest. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, rest. Rest. You get the idea? Okay, so are you ready? Same as before. 4-bar question, 4-bar answer. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and... You go. 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 The last one. Now you go. Hey, good job! If you're struggling, that's totally fine. Trust me, this is how you get better. Keep optimistic. Now, we're going for the last part of this exercise. We're going to mix half notes and quarter notes. Like, for example, you can do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. And of course, you can rest as well. You could do 1, 2, rest, 1, 1, 2, rest, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, rest, rest. Okay, are you ready? If so, let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and you go. My turn. Go. Now you. Last time. Hey, you know what? I've got a little bonus exercise for you. This one's really going to help develop your sense of melody and structure in your solos. We're going to create a simple phrase that will be the starting point for each round of improvisation. You'll play that melody and then you'll respond to it yourself. This exercise is... oh, great. Come, I'll show you. Here's the idea. First, I'm going to make up a little melody, like this. Simple enough, right? Now, you have to memorize it. Come on, it's like this. Okay, I'm in the second string, 7th fret. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. You got it? You can pause for a little if you need it. Okay, now at the start of every 8-bar round, you'll play this phrase and then improvise freely for the rest of the bars. So you answer to yourself, then you start again. So for example, I could start like this. And then you keep improvising, and when the next 8-bar round starts, you start with. Then you keep improvising with what you want. This gives your solo a bit of structure and makes it sound more like a song. Now, let me give you a little example of how does this exercise sound. Then I'll tell you how to practice. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and... again. course, when you start gaining confidence and practice, you can start varying a little bit this melody. So instead of doing, for example, you can do something like this. Okay, so just improvise according to your technique and to what your fingers let you do. Great! Now, here's your homework. Practice this exercise with this backing track. I've also linked it in the description below. This little exercise will transform your solos in something more melodic and memorable. I really encourage you to stick with it and practice for the full 10 minutes of the track. Okay, awesome work today! Remember, improvisation is all about practice and patience. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get. Do not forget to practice this last exercise on your own with the backing track linked below. The more you practice, the more progress you'll see. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up so you don't miss the next one. In the next video, we'll explore the major scale in a brand new key, so stay tuned for that.